Okay, for 847, they're asking us to write these expressions in a simpler form, but using exponents, right? Because a simpler form, we would just multiply them out, right? So using exponents, I have two 4's, so that's 4 squared. And I have 3 5's, so that's 5 cubed. So that would be in simpler form using exponents. Same for b, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3's, so that's 3 to the 5th, right? And then 2 y's, y squared, right? Now normally you would never leave it like this. This is not in simplified form. This is just a simpler form using exponents, right? Simplified, we would actually multiply 3 times itself 5 times and put that in front of the y squared. Okay, and c, we have 6x being multiplied by itself 4 times. So I have to put the parentheses, right? Because if I put no parentheses like that, it would only be the x that's being raised to the 4th. But the question is saying it's 6x raised to the 4th. So clearly this is incorrect, right? And the other is correct.